Hello dear students, welcome to Manisha Verma Biology Tutorials. As you know, we are doing the chapter Human Reproduction, and in it today we will do the female external genitalia and glands. Female external genitalia, female external genitalia and glands. So other parts of the female reproductive system we have taken in the previous video. Now what is the external genitalia, how it appears? External genitalia, in case of female it is known as vulva. So what is vulva? Vulva is the external genitalia, और vulva के जो है इसमें हमें क्या क्या नज़र आएगा वो हम देख लेते हैं. तो vulva is basically a depression like structure. It is a depression like structure like this. This depression like structure is known as vestibule. This is the vestibule. This vestibule, it has two orifices. First is the lower one is the vaginal orifice, and another opening here present is the urethral orifice. So these are the openings. This opening is also known as birth canal, the vaginal orifice, and this is the urethral opening, the opening for the urine. So यहाँ पर साथ में ही यहाँ पर situated होते हैं glands, the Bartholin gland. So ये हमारे पास. अब ये जो वेस्टिब्यूल है, it is guarded by two folds of skin. Inner fold is known as the labia minora, like this. So this is the labia minora, और labia minora जो है, at the tip its skin is a loose fold like this. So this tip is known as the prepuce, and here is another structure is present, a pointed structure which is erectile in function, and it is homologous to penis. पेनिस से होमोलोगस है ये. दिस इरेक्टाइल स्ट्रक्चर इज नोन एज क्लिटोरिस. Another fold of skin is present like this. This fold is known as the labia majora. And this area where these membranous folds are joining this end of this labia minora, posterior end, is known as fourchette. So like this, and there is an area here between anus and this external genitalia. Here this area which is present between the anus and the external genitalia, this area is known as perineum. And here at the top, this portion is known as the mons pubis. This is the place where pubic hair is born. So this is the external genitalia. This Bartholin gland, this is also known as bulbovestibular gland. It is also known as bulbovestibular gland. So bulbovestibular gland, it is also homologous to the glands which we have done in the male reproductive system, that is the bulbourethral or the Cowper's gland which were situated at the base of the penis. तो यहाँ पे हमने दो homologous organs की बात की. Clitoris is homologous to penis and it can be a neat question. And Bartholin gland, it is a Bartholin or bulbovestibular gland, it is homologous to the Cowper or the bulbourethral gland. So this is the external genitalia and glands of the female reproductive system.